Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about inflection points. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to multiply by s. So we have like this. So the square root of s, that is about s to the power of 1 over 2. So this one we have 1 plus 1 over 2, and that is about 3 over 2. Now we need to do first the derivative of the function. So we can apply the formula in here. So we put number 2 gone here. So we have 2s and we have number 2 minus 1, and we have 2s because number 2 minus 1 we have number 1. This one we have 3 over 2 s to the power of 3 over 2 minus 1, we have 1 over 2, and now we simplify. Number 9 multiplied by 3 over 2, and that is about 27 over number 2. Because this is about inflection points, we need to go second the derivative of the function. So this one, that is about number 1. This one we have 1 over 2 s to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1, we have negative 1 over 2. So we have 27 over number 4. So we need to find the inflection point. So I will put second the derivative of the function equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0. So I will put this one go to the right. And this one we have s to the power of 1 over 2. So number 2 I will put on the right. This one go to the left. So number 2 and number 4 we have number 8. So we put the power number 2 for the both sides. And we have 729 over 64. And now we can find the inflection point. So I will put this one go back in here, and we got this value in here. Now on the next one, we need to find this one. So we can use about variation table. So we just have only one value in here, so we put this value in here. So in this situation, we want to find the size of this one and this one. I will select a random number between this interval and this interval. So I will put about number 12 in here and number 10 in here. So if I put number 12, go to this function in here, and we have the positive value. So because that's about the positive, we put the positive sign here. This one we have negative. So if we have second derivative is about negative, that is about concave down. If this one that is about positive, that is about concave up. So in this situation, this is about concave down, this is about concave up. However, we have the domain that is about the square root of s. So that means s should be greater than or equals to number 0. So in this situation, we will stop at number 0 in here. So we can write the interval. So concave down in this situation, that should be from 0 to 729 over 64. And the next one, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.